In this video, we'll cover some ways to help you free up storage on your Android. Let's get started. Method 1. Free up space on Android by clearing app cache. Each application has its own cache data. These cache data can be from a few kilobytes to hundreds of megabytes or more. If you want to clear internal storage on Android fast, clearing cache is a quick solution. Method 2. Clear storage on Android by removing unused apps. Apps can take up quite a bit of storage space, and often apps you no longer use take up a lot of memory on your phone or tablet. Now, start getting rid of everything you don't use. Method 3. Free up storage on Android by clearing the download folder. Method 4. Free up space on Android by transferring data to SD card. If your Android device has a microSD card slot, you can get more storage space by using an external SD card. You can transfer videos, pictures, music, and other media files to the SD card to free up internal storage space. Method 5. Backup data to computer to clear storage on Android. If your Android device doesn't support a micro SD card, you can also choose to transfer data from your Android device to another place, such as a computer, to free up more space. Mobican Backup Manager for Android can help you make it. Method 6. Free up storage on Android using a cloud storage service. You can also take advantage of cloud storage services to clean up your Android phone's internal memory. Cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox are good options. Method 7. Free up space on Android via factory reset. Performing a factory reset is one very aggressive approach you can take.